Welcome to the Pleiades Paradox channel, but before we start exploring this incredible universe, I want to extend a special invitation. Subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you don't miss any new videos. In the race to be a leader in space exploration, China seems to be advancing faster than expected. Just last month, the news that Russia and China have joined forces to establish a revolutionary nuclear power plant on the moon surprised the world. If the reports are to be believed, Russia's Roscosmos and the China National Space Administration have been collaborating on building a lunar research station since they signed an agreement in 2021. But that's not all, especially in the case of China. Additionally, China is also planning to build a military base on the moon. Countries around the world are looking to establish lunar bases and, subsequently, colonies on Mars. These are some of the ambitious projects that the leading nations are working on. While Elon Musk is already committed to making Mars habitable for humans in the near future, China seems to be deviating from its original course in space exploration. Recently, NASA's chief, Bill Nelson, expressed concerns about China's space activities. He alleged that, under the guise of civilian initiatives, Beijing is conducting military operations. This revelation raises questions about the true nature of China's space endeavors, which remain hidden from the public. Publicly, China presents its space missions as peaceful and scientific. However, NASA disagrees, suggesting a different narrative. The biggest concern is China's lack of transparency regarding the dual use of its space technologies. The image that China tries to project is that of civilian initiatives, but NASA's chief firmly believes that these endeavors are possibly military and represent significant threats to international security. During his testimony on Capitol Hill, Nelson stated that China has made extraordinary advances in recent years, but in a very secretive manner. He believes that much of China's so-called civilian space program is actually military and that we are in a space race. He emphasized the need for the United States to land on the moon before China, as both nations have planned lunar missions. If China lands on the moon before the US, there may be an attempt at territorial claims over the lunar region. From a broad perspective, it seems that the US and China are indeed in a new space race. While China's recent efforts include an Earth-orbiting space station and several lunar missions, the U.S. plans to return astronauts to the moon in 2026 with the Artemis 3 mission. However, considering the revelations made by NASA's chief, it is crucial not to overlook China's space activities. The international community must demand transparency from China regarding the true nature of its space endeavors. It's time for us to work to protect space. Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to Pleiades Paradox for the latest updates in space exploration. Click the bell icon to stay updated, and let's continue to explore together.